Hello kids, I hope you are staying safe and happy. This is Anyone Can Learn English series and we are going to discuss part 4 today. In part 4, we have helping verbs has, have, had. In my previous video, we talked about is, am, are. So in today's session, we will be talking about has, have, had. Let's go to next page. So helping verb, a helping hand to verb that we learned in my previous video as well. A helping verb is a word which is added before the verb so that action can be described. Let's go to next page. So this video is about, we will revise verb and then we will learn where to use has, have, had. We will have dinner time conversation example for has, have. Then we will have a story time to explain had. And there will also be a quiz time. So I will explain you about a quiz. You can answer and the best answer will be featured in my next video. So if you give the answer correctly and if I like that answer, I will also get your picture featured in my next video. So watch till end to find about it. Let's go to next page. So let's first recall the verb. So verb are the words which show that what a noun does. Noun क्या करता है ये हमें verb बताते हैं. They are also called action words. When we add has, have, had before the verb, it tells about the things a noun owns or owned once. So जो noun के पास होता है, जो चीज होती है, उसके बारे में बताने के लिए हम has, have यूज करते हैं. I have one YouTube channel. It's one example. So, when has, have, had is added before third form of a verb, then it tells about the task or activity the noun has completed. So, जब हम थर्ड फॉर्म से पहले लगा देते हैं तो हमें ये हैज हैव हैड बताता है कि नाउन क्या कर चुका है या क्या कर चुका था कुछ करने से पहले. Okay, so let's go to next page to find more about this has, have and had. Okay. So helping verb has, have, had, where we need to use it. Let's talk and understand. When a person talks about a thing or activity he owns, जब कोई person बताता है कि मेरे पास क्या है, he or she uses have. तो जब अपने बारे में बताते हैं तो we use I. I is a first person, so we have to use have. When a person talks about a thing, other person owns. So, other person is third person. So, he has to use has. So, when a person talks about more than one person, he uses have. That is plural form of third person. They have. Let's talk more. So the conclusion is with first person singular form I, we use have as well helping verb. We is plural form. There also we have to use have. You is a second person. For both singular form and plural form, we have to use have. You have a car. I have a pen. We have this house. Third person, he, she, it. Singular form is he, she, it. He has a blue pen. She has a cute doll. It has big ears. Elephant is an animal. It has big ears. They have a good farmhouse. They have a very huge farmhouse. Okay, very big farmhouse. So these are some examples. So there is a common noun singular form, boy. That boy has a red pen. Those boys have cycles. Tia, proper noun. So Tia has a cute doll. We do not have plural form for common noun, so we do not have helping verb as well. Right? Let's go to next page. So has, have, dinner time conversation. So here is a boy who is talking to his mom. He is having dinner with his mom. And boy's name is Vedang. So Vedang अपनी मम्मी के साथ बैठ के खाना खा रहा है. अचानक से बोलता है, I have a red gel pen. It writes very nice. We used have here because I is first person and Vedang is talking about a thing which he owns. So we are using have. Mom, very nice. Focus on your dinner now. So mom is telling, पहले अपना खाना खाओ. Vedang is answering, I have eaten all my dinner. Okay? So he is saying, मैं अपना खाना सारे का सारा खा चुका हूँ. तो जो चीज हो चुकी है उसके लिए have यूज करते हैं. I have eaten. Eaten is third form of verb eat. So we will be talking about forms of the verb in my next video. So keep watching my videos for more understanding. And then mom is saying, nice, tell me about your friends. How are they all? So मम्मी ने पूछा, आपके दोस्त कैसे हैं? Okay, मुझे उनके बारे में बताओ. Vedang, all are good. They all have completed their holidays homework. अब उन सब लोगों ने अपना holidays homework complete कर लिया है, complete कर चुके हैं. सब के सब अपना homework complete कर चुके हैं. So we are using have. Okay, completed is third form of the verb. They have an intelligent friend. Now Vedang is saying they have an intelligent friend. उन सबका एक इंटेलिजेंट दोस्त है. मॉम इज आस्किंग, हु इज दैट फ्रेंड? कौन है वो दोस्त? वेदांग, मी, मैं हूँ. हा हा हा. सो दे बोथ आर लाफिंग. ओके, सो वेदांग इज एन इंटेलिजेंट बॉय. लेट्स गो टू नेक्स्ट पेज. नाउ इट्स टाइम टू टॉक अबाउट हैड एंड आई विल डिस्क्राइब ए स्टोरी. One day I was sitting at window of my room. एक दिन मैं अपनी रूम की विंडो के पास बैठा हुआ था. Weather was very good. मौसम बहुत ही अच्छा था. I decided to go to park and get some fresh air. Decided is also the second form of the word. We will talk more about them in my next video. Okay? So मैंने डिसाइड किया कि मैं आज पार्क जाता हूँ और अब फ्रेश एयर लेता हूँ. I had just gone outside when it started to rain. मैं अभी बाहर निकल ही चुका था कि बारिश शुरू हो गई. I had just gone. Had means मैं चुका था, बाहर जा चुका था और इतने में बारिश शुरू हो गई. I had taken an umbrella. मैं अपने साथ एक अम्ब्रेला ले चुका था. I had taken an umbrella with me before leaving my home. तो घर से निकलने से पहले एक अम्ब्रेला अपने साथ मैं ले चुका था. I had. I opened it up and come back home. Okay. Oh no, rain had stopped. अब बारिश फिर से रुक चुकी थी. When I looked through the window, oh my God, crazy. Okay. I was laughing on myself. मुझे अपने ऊपर ही हंसी आ गई. मैं हंस रहा था अपने ऊपर. हा हा हा. कि जैसे ही मैं घर वापस आया तो रेन फिर रुक गई. After that, I had so much fun at home only. I had. Had means he is telling about a thing which is fun. उस बाद में मैंने घर पे ही बहुत सारे मजे किए. So this way we used to use had. Okay? When we talk about something which has already happened in the past. ओके तो जैसे अगर हमारे साथ कल कुछ हुआ, आज अगर हम कुछ बताते हैं तो हम हैड यूज करते हैं उसके बारे में. ओके, लेट्स गो टू नेक्स्ट पेज. सो द कंक्लूजन इज विद फर्स्ट पर्सन एंड विद एनी पर्सन वी ऑलवेज यूज हैड. देयर इज नथिंग डिफरेंट. आई हैड, यू हैड, he, she, it, third person had. Common noun boy had, Tia had a doll which broke. We had, you had, they had, boys had cycles. Okay, before they left home. तो कुछ करने से पहले क्या हुआ था, क्या हो चुका था, उसके बारे में बताने के लिए we always use had. I hope the idea is clear, guys. Okay, you are very intelligent kids. Now quiz time. Answer and get your picture featured in my next video. So how to do that? I will just show you the quiz. Answer the questions and get your picture featured. With the help of your parents, you can answer. And you have to also upload a picture. Okay? And then the best answers, best 10 answers for those kids, I will upload their picture. I will show their picture in my next video. Okay? So, have some fun with the quiz. So, if you open this link, I have clicked on this link. You will be able to see this quiz. Okay? So, here the email address has to be given. So, your mom or dad can fill this. Then you have to write about yourself. You have to write few lines using first person. And this is article. Here you need to select the proper nouns. And then here you have to find the nouns in the pictures and add the adjectives. You can fill your answer here. Okay? And then you have to write the person types from this paragraph. Okay? And then you have to select the statement where we need to add the S. Okay? Yeah. So this is helping verb question. And then you have to write five lines about your father or mother with use of helping verbs. Is, am, are, has, have, anything you want. And then you have to upload your picture and submit the form. Okay? So I hope you are now aware of this quiz, and please do participate in this quiz, because your picture can be featured in my next video. Okay, if you give the best answer. So all the best. Okay, all the very best. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, then do like, share and subscribe and have fun.